Hey everyone, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back, and I hope everyone's having a wonderful holiday season. So today I wanted to share with you guys my brown bag collection. So all the bags in my collection that are some shade of brown. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna organize them by brand. So the first brand is gonna be Michael Kors. So this is the first bag in my collection. And this is the Michael Kors Greenwich Small Saffiano Leather Crossbody Bag. And it is in the color Luggage. It is so beautiful. It has a snug back pocket, and it has a adjustable strap that can be doubled for shoulder bag wear, or you can elongate it to make it a crossbody. And it's made up of chain and a leather strap on the top. It's really, really beautiful. It opens up with a turn lock. So it has the MK emblem in the middle, and it also says Michael Kors around it. And you just turn it vertical and it opens up like that. Very, very cute. Has this kind of burgundy interior, really soft. I don't know what material it is. Have it stuffed with some paper, but it has 3 card slots right here, and then a small slip pocket back here. And then this front pocket is actually like very thin. You could literally only slip very thin items in here, maybe like cards, cash, coins. But yeah, it's really beautiful. I love this bag. And it's actually still currently on the Michael Kors website in this color, as well as some other colors, including a red and a black. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this bag. And the color is just the perfect brown color to go with a bunch of different outfits. So okay, the next bag is gonna be from Telfar, and this bag is UGG and Telfar collaboration they did together a while back. And so this is the small shopper tote, and it's in the color chestnut, and it's made of genuine suede, and it has a shearling trim, as you can see. Really, really beautiful. And the back says UGG X Telfar. It has the 2 long crossbody straps that are not detachable or adjustable, and the 2 top handle straps. And so it closes with a button closure at the top, as you can see. And this is the dust bag it came in. So inside is the chestnut color, and it has the UGG X Telfar tag in there. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else in there. It's just one pocket. And yeah, this is a really, really cute winter bag. Definitely seasonal. You wouldn't really wear this in the summer or spring, but it's really, really cute. I think I wore this for one Christmas. Honestly, I have not worn this bag a lot because it's such a seasonal kind of cold weather bag, winter bag. So yeah, but it's really, really adorable. It's and very soft. Like, the material is very soft. Not for the vegan people, unfortunately. Sorry. Okay, next we're gonna move into my Coach bags that are brown. So the first one is this Coach Outlet Nolita 19, and it's in the color Penny, and it has the chain shoulder strap made of gold hardware. And it's made of pebbled leather as well, so it's really, really soft. I actually love Coach Outlet's pebbled leather. I love pebbled leather in general. It just really soft, gives a higher quality feel. So yeah, so it's just all brown. It kind of is similar to the Michael Kors Luggage color a little bit. So these are them two together. I have a little thing to stuff it, but the Nolita 19 comes with 2 card slots on this side and then 1 big slot on this side. and the interior matches the exterior color. But yeah, this bag goes with pretty much any outfit. It's a beautiful neutral color bag. I wear it year round, not just in the fall or winter. And I also add like an extender to the strap to make it a longer shoulder bag. And also you could add a long chain crossbody strap so that this would be able to dangle, and then you could wear this as a crossbody bag as well. So yeah, I love it. It's very practical, very useful. The Nolita 19s are really like a good bag for me because they really pack a lot, surprisingly. Speaking of Nolitas, I wanted to also show this one. This is actually a Nolita 15 from the Coach outlet. And I think this is from the Pride collection a few years ago. And so it's mostly brown. And then it has the rainbow colored C's on the front and the back of the bag. The hang tag has colors too, and then has the red zipper pull and then the purple zipper track. The Nolita 15 actually packs a lot. Like, I use this as when I don't want to carry a really big bag. I just need to carry like essential items, small things, and I can have like my phone in my pocket, even though my phone actually could fit in here, but it would just take up too much space. But I actually I use it. Like, it fits my wallet, flushable wipes, my compact mirror from Coach fits in here, some cards. It comes with 2 card slots right here, and then this is a story patch in here. But this actually packs a punch. I even take it to the gym because I run on the treadmill in the gym. And so the treadmill has like a little handle basically. And I literally just put this on the handle and it just hangs there while I'm like running on the treadmill. So it's literally perfect. It really is. I don't really use these a lot inside other bags. I'll just use it to carry what I need as a bag itself. Okay, the next bag is from the Coach outlet, and it is the Mini Rowan crossbody bag, and this is in the color Maple. I think this is actually the last bag I've bought this year, so this is the most recent purchase, and I am in love with it. This is a beautiful bag. The color is a warm, chocolatey, beautiful dark brown, and it has silver hardware, as you can see. This is my first and only Mini Rowan bag. I don't know what took me so long to finally get one. I think it was because I just couldn't find a color that really spoke to me that I actually really wanted until they came out with this maple color. This maple color, chef's kiss. You gotta get something in this maple color. It's awesome. So yeah, it's like a satchel bag. Resembles a Louis Vuitton Speedy bag. This size would be more closer in between like the Nano Speedy and the Speedy 20. So yeah, it just has a zipper closure, and inside it just has 2 card slots in the back. Other than that, it's just one single compartment that packs a lot. Like, this bag, I thought it would be really small and not fit much, but it fits everything I need. I have a iPhone Pro, so it's a pretty small phone that fits in here, plus lip gloss, lip balm, card holder, my mirror, hand sanitizer, AirPods, literally anything. So yeah, this is a great everyday bag for me, honestly. And the color, even though it's not black, it's a really good neutral color, so I really love it for that. It's made of soft pebbled leather. It's just, there's literally no complaints about this bag. I love this bag so much. I really do. I'm so happy that I got it. And it comes with 1 detachable crossbody strap, and it is adjustable, as you can see. So I wear it as a crossbody bag, but of course I could just take this off and just carry it handheld like this. So let's get into my last 2 brown bags. So this is my monogram pochette accessoire from Louis Vuitton. And I think almost everyone knows this bag. This is not the new version, the current version that they have on the website right now. This is from 2022 when I bought it. And so if you're familiar with the pochette accessoire, at least this one, it just only comes with this detachable vaqueta leather strap, and it has a zipper closure. This opens up. This version only has this slip pocket inside. I have an organizer that I got from Amazon in here to hold like the stuff that I actually put in here. And then this is just the dust bag that it comes with. But yeah, I love this bag. Really great, fits all my essentials, everything I need. Love that the strap is detachable, so I could exchange this leather strap for a short gold shoulder strap or a long gold crossbody strap. So that's how I kind of jazz up the bag and use it different ways as a shoulder and a crossbody bag. So I love when bags are versatile like that. So yeah, really no complaints about this bag other than maybe the price, but we can't change that. So okay, and the last bag is also from Louis Vuitton, and this is the Felicie Pochette, and this is from the 2021 Damier Ebene Studs collection. And so that's why it's very, very unique. The squares on the pattern are turned, and then they added, of course, the gold studs on the front as well as the pink flowers. So it's really, really beautiful. And of course, all the Felicie Pochettes come with the long gold crossbody strap or chain. So you open it up. It has the pink interior that matches the flowers outside. I just have the dust bag in here, and then the two little card holders it comes with. So it comes with this Damier Ebene canvas one, and then it also comes with this pink card holder one that holds 8 cards. And then it also has a compartment for cash, and then this one is just a zipper pouch that you could put cash, cards, even like lip gloss, hand sanitizer could fit in here too. So yeah, I love this bag. I love that it's so unique. Not many people have it. And yeah, I really like pink, so I think it goes with everything. So I really, really love this bag. I'm really happy that I got it in 2021. So yeah, these are my last 2 bags that are brown in my collection. Okay, and so while we're discussing brown things, I thought I might as well show you guys something I recently got in the mail. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. So this is called the BRAHMIN linen wallet, and it is in the color ganache. So this is actually my first BRAHMIN item ever. So I watch Makiva Monroe, her channel on YouTube. She is so funny, so hilarious. So recently she's been on a huge BRAHMIN kick. So she's been buying a bunch of like BRAHMIN bags, and a few of the bags that she bought are in this color ganache. And so when I watched that video, I was like, oh my gosh, that is a beautiful brown color. Like it's a really dark, rich color. And then BRAHMIN, it kind of has like some shiny parts too. So like as you move it, it has a really glossy finish. And I don't own anything from BRAHMIN, and so I was like, I already have my Coach Maple Mini Rowan, and so I really wanted like a brown wallet to match it, and so I thought this would be the perfect addition to my collection and a good introduction to the BRAHMIN brand. And so yeah, this is the wallet. It's in the color ganache, so it's like a zip around card case. You open it up, and this came inside. I think it just has like the tags and stuff inside and the care information. So it's just one pocket right here, brown on the inside as well. Then on this side, it says Brahmin, and then it has 1, 2, 3 card slots on this side. And then on the other side, it has this clip, this button closure to protect your cards when you put them in. It's 1, 2, 3 card slots on this side too. So 6 card slots and then a middle zip compartment. So that's really great. That's a lot of room. And then of course it has gold hardware. It has a zipper pull at the top. And yeah, I'm really excited, really happy that I got this. It fits perfectly inside my mini Rowan bag. See in there. And yeah, it's not the exact same brown, but it's good enough. It's close enough. It's a beautiful combination. Chocolate on chocolate, period. So thank you, Makiva, for influencing me, doing your job of being an influencer. You really did that, because I'm so happy you discovered this color and I watched your video and I discovered this color. So yeah, this is a great purchase. I'm really excited to use it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the brown bags in my collection. What brown bags do you have in your collection? Do you have a lot? A few bags? So let me know. Let's have a conversation down in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and press that notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Hope you guys have a wonderful season and a happy new year. Bye.